So hello guys, welcome back. In the previous video we have learned how to make the text view in Android application. So in this video we will learn how to display an image with the help of image view in any Android application screen. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So it is very easy to display an image in the screen. So for this, now let's select the text view and press the delete button from the keyboard to delete it. Now from the common, click and drag the image view on the desired location on the screen. So here you can give some initial image to this image view. Now select this image and click OK. So we will change this image in the code. Now let's resize the image to our desired resolution. So we are okay with it. Now let's set its constraints. Now our image is on the center of the screen. So now let's come into the code. Here it is the code for our image view, and this is the ID of our image view. So we will access this image view in the code with the help of this ID. For this, now let's come to the code, and from here in the callback of our button we will change its image programmatically. So for this I have an image which I want to set programmatically. This is an image over a flower. Simply copy it and from here in the resource directory select the drawable and paste this image into this drawable folder and click OK. OK. So guys, our image is imported in our project. So now let's access this image view. For this, so now let's set background resource, and in the background resource we will give the path of our image, that is in the resource art.drawable.flower. When a user click on this button, the image will be set on runtime programmatically. Select the device and play it to flash this application into our mobile phone. So let's wait a while until our application is launched. So for the moment we are not seeing any image because we have not yet set any image. So for this, when I am going to click the button, boom, my image appears on the screen. As our logic is saying, when the user will press the button event, the image will be programmatically set to this image view of any Android application. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. See you in next session.